Hi, folks. Barry Edwards here, Edwards Communications, and that's at edwardscom.net. But you found yourself at over50startingover.com. And this is a more recent program of mine. It's a passion project. It's dedicated to people over 50 that are embarking on their passion careers in the last third of their life. Now, this happens for a number of reasons. Sometimes people get squeezed out of corporate America or whatever other job for cheaper help. Sometimes people just really want to follow their passions for real that they've been keeping pushed down so far as they stayed in the safe but unhappy job. And this is becoming a lot more common. This could be in any industry. It could be in the trades, the electrician that's been working in for a larger company his whole life and just finally wants to get out and do it on its own. This is a perfect program to set that up. It is primarily directed to people that draw from a 5 to 20 mile radius. So it is like the tradesperson, the hairstylist, or the business coach, which starts out local and then goes up to a regional level. This is to help you find your best brand, your best value propositions, your best logo, slogan, your entire online presence, your messaging that you should put out not only on your website, but the exact same messaging once it's perfected and you know how it is that you are so different and so unique and so much more special than your competition that you basically create your own niche. That's what we're going to do here. You want to put that on your LinkedIn profile, your Facebook, Instagram, whatever you are on. You want to make sure that these are all consistent. And this will also even help you with search engine optimization. So this program is launching, this course is launching on August 1st in a very limited edition. Is going to be offered only to people that are subscribed to my list first at a specially reduced rate and with additional personal interaction with me, because I want to perfect this to a point where it's completely automated, that I can push it out regionally and then nationally and make sure that I can satisfy the largest percentage of customers possible. So sign up today and you'll receive the special offer of $197 for these 3 modules. It is a complete toolkit to get your best brand online. It will only be available for the first 20 purchases.